Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add border to your picture on the Photoshop application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Click on the home button down below in the left side corner and tap on Photo Editor. Click on the picture you want to edit. Slide to the left side at the bottom of the page until you find the borders section. Tap on it, and here you can find these borders that you can apply to your picture. Tap on the relevant one, and here you can select the other borders that this particular category includes. You can see you have a bunch of borders such as basic, edges, frames, gold, bokeh, ornamental, classy, neon, flowers, and so on. Select from the categories, and within each category you find a bunch of borders, and as you tap on the color option next to borders in the middle of the screen, you can set further color options of your selected frames, borders. So basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.